I know y'all probably can't see this shit, but it's fucking deep water. Fuck. It's all coming from the park, I think. And a good idea. Just getting my shoe unwet because I just stepped in a pile of mud, and so good idea to get my shoe a little wet. But wow. Yeah. That was bullshit. Man, but that's a lot of freaking water though. It's worse than that shit. Yeah, right now I'm in front of Corey and Sonia's house. Sorry it's so dark out here and you can barely see this shit, but fucking A. It's okay. Still fucking A. Better go the other way. Now my shoes are all soaked. Fucking A. Oh yeah, better fucking lane, dude. But still, not as better. Holy shit. Yeah, right now this is all the fucking hill we got. Yeah? It's really worse over here too. Can't really see it, but it's pretty freaking bad. Yeah? Alright. It's pretty bad over here, wow.
What are you doing over there?
I was gonna check out to see where.
No, you do not walk into people's yards like that.
Oh.
You know better than that. I know.
Oh shit, I forgot to record. Oh shit. But man, dude, it's pretty fucking bad out here. Man. That was a worse fucking day. Yeah, my shoes are soaked. Alright. Holy shit. I covered the house in leaves. Wow. Oh shit. Just a tad bit of water in the trailer. Somebody forgot to shut the door. Well, I didn't tell you guys this because I forgot to press play. The fucking garage is fucking soaked. My shoes are soaked. Did a hell of a fucking job. Wow. Yeah, that's me chomping on shit. Holy shit. That's a lot of fucking water. Looks like the wind's picking up. I don't know if it might be huge too or not. Fucking A.